In this video, I'm going to show you how to open Rstudio and install packages into it. So first thing, I'm just going to open Rstudio, so I can just search Rstudio on my computer, open that up, and it should just take a second to open. And this is our main Rstudio page. I'm going to go into full screen now. And basically, Rstudio has sort of four panes, it's four quadrants. We have the top left where we write things. We have the bottom left where it tells us what the computer is doing. Right now it's not doing anything. The top right is the global environment. So this is like what data we have loaded. Do we have any saved values or numbers, data sets, pathways, and so forth. And then this bottom one is very flexible. It will show you packages. It will also, if you create images, it will show up here. And it does some other things. If you look for the help features on different functions, that will come up in the bottom right. And you can resize these if you want more space on one side or the other. And what I want to show today is just going to be our first R command, which is going to be how to install packages, because R is open source, which means that its users write things to extend its functionality. And some of those things are just absolutely essential for our work. And it's super easy to install them. So if we want to install something new, what we type is, and I'm going to type it down here because this is like how we interface interactively with the computer. I just type install.packages, and you see I start typing and it will fill it out for me based on what it thinks I'm going to do. So I'm going to let it fill that out. And then quotes, then you put the name of the package. And the first package that everyone's going to install in this class is called the Tidyverse, Tidyverse. Now I've already installed this, so it's basically going to install it again, which isn't a problem. So then I'm just going to hit enter. And now you can see the computer is starting to think. And it's saying, oh, it's doing all this fun stuff. And now that's it. It's done. That was easy. And then anytime you need to install a new package, you can go through that same process. And then in this bottom right pane, if you actually click on packages, you can see all the different packages that you have installed on the computer, and the ones with the checkbox next to it are the ones that have been loaded. And that's something we'll talk a bit more about later. And then anytime you want, these packages are updated all the time, you can just click on this update button here and it will check to see if any packages need to be updated. Apparently I have a few, so I'm just going to hit select all, install updates, keeping things up to date, and we're going to see the computer going through its thing, and now it's done. And that's it.